Hello there, YouTube. I just got my Saffire kerosene heater. It was a little bit dirty, but I fixed it up, and it's looking pretty good. I used a lot of rags on it and stuff to clean it, and so after I'm finished messing with it, I will put some kerosene in it and do another video of it lighting up. It's has the same wick that the blue flame heater, and in fact this is a blue flame heater. This is what they call a Haller. Haller Saffire, and it's got a little float there, tells you when it's full, and hopefully it'll fire up and it'll work just fine. So I'll do a video on it tomorrow. Talk to y'all later.